you want to appeal a ban on your Call of Duty mobile account, there are a few steps you need to follow. Firstly, go to Activision's official website for help and support using either your smartphone or the default browser on your PC. Once you've logged into your Activision account, fill out the form that will be sent to Activision's contact. Each box in the form requires specific data to be entered, and you'll need to select the operating system you use for the Call of Duty mobile app, either Android or iOS. Next, you'll need to give a brief description of what happened in the game, explaining what led to your account being banned and making a compelling argument for why your account should be reconsidered. After you've finished your message, click on the Accept button to send the description to Activision support. Be prepared to wait 2 to 5 days to get a response from the support team. In case of no reply, you can resubmit a new form until a response can be received.